Alright, hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be making a carpet. Pretty simple, but also needed in most animations or games. Because don't really see them too often. So, let's go ahead and make a carpet. So first we're going to start with a cube. We're going to size it a little bit on the X, and then need to make it very small. And bring it down a little bit more, about right there. Now we need to size it on the Y to about right there. And now we need to add a cylinder. Or is that a cylinder? Or we'll just call it a ball. All right. So now we need to size that down to about right there. Add a UV sphere. Gotcha. Okay, cone. Size that down. Rotate the cone on the X by 90. Grab Y. And then we will well, nope. There we go. Now it's about the same size. Join those together. Smooth them. And then bring them this way. Now we definitely need to size these down because it's way too big. Until it's a little bit smaller than that. All right, that works. But we need to go into here. Grab. No. Jesus. There we go. Make sure that's the same. And then we need to make a bevel. About. Yeah, that's fine. All good. All right. Now take this side and this side so it matches. And going to bring it down just a teeny bit. All right. And bring this up a little bit. There we go. Awesome. All right. So now we need to make a bunch of these. So duplicate, grab X, duplicate, grab X. About like that. And then just grab the rest of these, duplicate, grab X. And there. Okay. Now we need to go on the top view so we can see them all. Nope. Duplicate. rotate Z 180. And now we can bring them over here. Make sure they're touching. And then grab everything and join. I really hope those were touching. Yeah, they were. Okay. Good stuff. Okay, now we need to give this yeah, a couple of colors. So that one, and that one. All right, so this one, let's go ahead and make like a blue. I don't know why that's not showing. Ow, that's why it's not showing. Okay. A little tired, but we got this. Okay. This one is green. Doesn't really matter the color of green, just green. And this one is red. All right, now we need to do just plain, and we'll go with image. And we need to bring in our image. Nope. All right, so there is our. Okay, what's going on here? We'll bring this one up. Oh, good God. In. There we go. Okay, add and image texture. I. So we'll go with FIFA. Why not? There we go. And assign. And it's upside down. There we go. Die. Whatever. We'll do it this way. It's fine. All right. So now we can take the stuff right here. Well, let's go into this so we can grab everything at once. Which one was it? Ah, here we go. Good stuff. So now we can do. Okay, that one stays blue. It's this one. That goes to red. And then we'll do that with green. And what? Why is it doing that? There we go. All right, so now we can do red and blue. So this side will be red. That's green. And that's blue. All right, so that is how you do a carpet. All right, I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.